In 1993, by the resolution of the Great Khural of Mongolia, the Huston Mountains were first placed under special state protection as a nature reserve. About 60% of the territory of Khusti is mountain steppe, more than 30% is dry steppe, and 4% is forest steppe. The deer population has not increased in the entire territory of Mongolia. However, the number of deer in the Huston Mountains has increased 3 to 4 times and reached about 1,400. In addition to protecting the nature, the Huston Nature Conservancy has introduced a certain number of deer from its increased population to other regions of Mongolia, one of which is the deer herd. Deer is an animal natural to Mongolia that gives birth in dense forests. However, Khusti moved to a specially protected area because of poachers. Because there are no trees in the protected area, flies gather on the deer's legs and breed worms around the eyes, nose, lips, teeth and navel, making them unable to survive. Research has shown that only 1 out of 10 deer live. Since we started this operation, we have managed to save about 130 deer, and they are now growing and breeding into adult deer. I want you all to come to Mongolia to witness these beautiful animals and help us to protect as many deer as possible. Therefore, please help us by joining the campaign to protect the deer.